Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today at REHAB in the city of Anaheim. It is a Goodwill boutique, one of my favorite ones. It is super fun. Like, it literally looks like an Urban Outfitters inside. It's like fantastic. But I'm excited to go in. Hope you guys are too. But if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, and flags, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, it's like it's spelled here. Check out my shop, itsHadrian.com to see whatever sale for my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, I cannot talk anymore. Let's go inside. It's getting dark. My car is literally about to turn into a pumpkin. So let's go in really quick so we can get back home. Also, I'm really hungry. Let's go. I'm looking at the bags they have up at the top. Oh, check it out. A little mini Michael Kors bag. Well, not a mini, but it's like a small tote. $25 is not bad. Black Saffiano leather. Looks to be in pretty good shape. Sold. Alright, so far so good. We're starting off at with a good find so far. See if we can find anything else. There's a bunch of Coach bags, but these are fabric and really dirty. This white one is okay, but the style is definitely an older style. There's a Vera Wang, Betsy Johnson, Target bags, Calvin Klein, another Coach. Again, the style isn't my favorite, so I'm not gonna go with that. Looks like a pleather bag, might be like Forever 21 or something. There's this little Michael Kors fabric bag right here. I mean, the fabric might be cleanable. Let's see how much they're asking for it. We'll determine if we should get it based on the price. It's a really cute bag though, but I just don't know if we're going to be able to clean that fabric. $12.99. Edge coating's coming off. It's not too dirty inside. Okay, we're gonna think about it. We're gonna hold on to it. Let's see what else we can find. There's this large Spade fabric tote, but again, these are like really dirty corners. Stained. This is like a diaper bag, I think. Actually, yeah, I think this one's a little too worn. I think the fabric is thinning on the corners as well. So this is a cute little backpack from Forever 21. It's a Coach. Oh, how cute! This is a Coach. It's $14.99. This is a possible maybe. Let's hold on to that. I see another Coach over here, but that fabric is really dirty. You can see the contrast and how dirty it is. Another fabric Coach. Too damaged. There's this, which is a Juicy Couture. How cute is this Coach? There's just too much color transfer on that pattern that is not coming out. But I do like the little flower. Found this Marc by Marc, but the handle needs to be like a resewn. As is $10. I mean, it's not too hard to resew this. I think it's supposed to have a crossbody. I don't know, we'll hold on to this too. There's a lot of stuff here today. What is that? Elliot Luca, Steve Madden, Coach. There's this Coach bag right here. The color is actually really pretty. It's just a little faded, and the corners are dirty. It's $10. They have some new cards out. They have a little Darth Vader Lego clock. This cool thing. Oh, I think this might be like Lucerne. Just kidding, it's not. This is kind of cute. I like the color. Check it out, you guys. A super fake Louis Vuitton phone case. Some wood clogs. Some haunted looking box. A duck. Some silver things. Minnie Mouse. Let's see down there. Oh. All the haunted dolls are right here waiting for us. Yikes. Oh my gosh, look at this little piano. It's Melissa and Doug. How cute. It's like a little concert piano. I wish it was white, then it would match like, or cream. I think the one we have is cream. It'd be so cute to have that matching. Okay, I don't know how to play piano. Oh my gosh, look at all the sombreros. Oh my gosh, look at this little baby. Oh my gosh, an electric hanging heater. 2 heating elements, 2-stage temperature control. Ooh, do I need this? It's only $40. Why is this pillow so cute? It's like embroidered and painted. $3, hot dog. I need more than one. Oh my gosh, it's Carlisle from Twilight. Oh my gosh. That is so funny. Peter Facinelli is Dr. Cullen. It's signed to Carmen. Look at how cute these Michael Kors are. The perforations, $7.99. What size are these? I don't think I can find it. Hey guys, okay, just got home and I wanted to share with you guys what we ended up getting today from the store. Oh my gosh, we got some pretty cute stuff. So again, we're just gonna jump into it, but if you guys are watching this video on or before February 3rd, 2020, I am offering a sale in the shop. It's going to be 25% off your entire purchase. Just please make sure to DM me first with the item or items you're interested in. I will discount those items for you. But again, please don't make your purchase beforehand because I cannot do anything after the fact that the item's already been purchased. But without further ado, let's get into this haul. I'm going to start off first with this stunning Kate Spade. I love the design. It is so super fun. It has the black and white bow and then black and white bow like print, and then it has like a flower. Very fun. The flowers all over. It has the light gold hardware. There's an actual little bow right here in the front. And the inside, it has a little bit of darkening, primarily at the top of the bag, but it's not like super duper noticeable. 1 zipper pocket and then 2 open pockets. Those are in there. Gorgeous. I love that bag. It's so pretty. Then while we are on Kate Spade, here is another one. This one is a beautiful Kate Spade glitter tote. Look at that glitter. It is amazing. It's a black glitter. Just has a little Kate Spade right there. And the interior is just all black. 1 zipper pocket, 2 open pockets. This bag is literally like new. The only thing is it kind of has like a little crease here in the back from just like probably from storage. I don't know if it'll go away. It might. It's not too noticeable once you get it like popped out and open. You probably just need to like stuff it with stuff and then it'll be good to go. But see, it's not too bad. And it's on the back. The front doesn't have any like creasing or anything, so looks fantastic. So beautiful. Look at that glitter. And all that glitter is gold, only shooting stars. Okay, next thing. You guys like I know that song's All Stars by, who sings that song? Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me. Comment down below if you guys know who sings that. Smash Mouth! Never mind, Smash Mouth, right? Okay, anyway, love that song. Iconic. Next bag we have here is a Marc Jacobs like tote shoulder bag. I love that the straps are long, so it sits really nicely and very comfortably on your shoulder, and it's in a beautiful black pebbled leather with gold hardware. I love the asymmetry of like the bag. Like it has like right there, like it's you know, do you see that right there? It's also on the back. I can't even like talk or describe it anymore. But it does have, like, this is actually a front pocket. It's magnetic. Another back pocket right there. And then the main compartment is divided by a middle zipper pocket. So there's another zipper pocket back there. And then this is just an opening. Like, this has so many compartments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 main compartments. And that's not including the zippered pocket. So, beautiful. I love this bag so much. The pebbled leather is stunning, and the bag is in really great shape as well. So, this is perfect for like school or like work, every day, even travel. It's a good size, nice and comfortable. You can put a lot of stuff in it, and you can organize things very well. So, there's that. And then last but not least, we have this beautiful, stunning, I got like a British accent there for a second. Stunning. I can't believe it. It's such a beautiful Tory Burch bag. And sorry, like my accent is like even worse. But check this out. It's a beautiful, like a hobo. Is it a hobo bag? Hobo shoulder bag. Yeah. Nice pebbled leather. Beautiful gold hardware. The interior is like a beigey nude leather, and then there's one there's one big pocket, and then there's another pocket, and then like right in front of it. So really great bag. I really like it. Tory Burch, love it. I can't believe we found such great stuff at that store. But that is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today and going to the store with me and checking out my finds. It's always a blast sharing my thrift adventures with all of you guys. And if you guys have found anything really cool recently, let me know. Tag me on Instagram, comment down below, share it with the rest of the thrift squad. I love hearing what you guys find as well, because it definitely motivates me and makes me want to go out thrifting even more, because you guys know that I don't go thrifting every single day. I really only go twice a week. So I know I spread out the videos throughout the week, so it seems like I'm going every single day. The truth is, I am not. So, I hope you guys had fun. I love you guys immensely. Don't forget to check out today's vlog. It's up at 2, and I'll see you guys all in that video. The new thrifting video goes up tomorrow bright and early at 7, and I'll see you guys all then. Bye! Check it out. There's this Harry Potter hooded towel wrap, $7.99. The kids will be fighting over that. And for next Christmas, Elf Pets, a reindeer tradition, $15. I'm pretty sure this is probably like $30 at the store. So I'm considering getting this and holding it off till next year. So, or not next year, this Christmas, this year, because it's already the next year.